Good morning, everyone. Slept not bad last night, even though it was raining like crazy and the wind was really bad. But yeah, I still slept well. There's like a pack of wild dogs running around outside my tent. It's the view I have in the morning.
Jesus Christ, I just put my helmet on and there's a moth inside it. It was like flying around inside my ear. I just spotted this monastery like on the top of the mountain. I don't know how to get there, but there seems to be some kind of road up there. Yeah, somewhere. Oh yeah, there. Okay, I'm gonna go and try and find it. I managed to find the road. It was actually signposted in a massive brown board on the highway, but I didn't see it.
So after spotting this
road looks pretty cool, so I have to take this road
down below, I decided to go up and give it a go. The great thing about China is when you find these things you want to explore, you can just go there. It's not a problem. The problem with this one was that I didn't really know how far it was to the monastery, and I didn't really know how long it would take. I didn't know the condition of the road, and I didn't even know if it was open. But I thought it was really worth giving it a try.
你好，我可以去吗？到哪里啊？啊？到哪里啊？到哪里？到寺庙。啊。啊。早上好。早上好。哦。我怎么去？好了。我走不。 啊，我去走吧。好了，这个地方太漂亮了，非常漂亮。没来过啊？你这没来过？没来过，我从青岛过来。哦。今天晚上要这走吗？今天晚上。今天晚上去ZiMei村。爬山。但是我在路上看到这个寺庙。 才这么漂亮，所以，哎呦，我要来，我要来看一下。欢迎你之类的。
But the thing is, Sichuan is home to some of China's most remarkable Tibetan Buddhist monasteries, each one a testament to faith and tradition in the heart of the mountains. These monasteries, like the iconic Tagong and Larunga, featured golden rooftops, vibrant prayer flags and intricate artwork that depict the spiritual journey of the Tibetan Buddhism. And many monasteries here date back centuries and remain active centres of learning and meditation. Monks and nuns in crimson robes chant and study within their sacred walls, while pilgrims travel from far and wide to spin prayer wheels and seek blessings, creating a profound atmosphere of devotion and peace.
Well, that's bad news. Batteries just fell out of the case. So now I have to go back look for my GoPro batteries. Shit. Managed to find them. I had to go right back up to the bloody top.
After heading back down the mountain, I took the long road to GongGa. I was here the year before and the road, to be honest, was in a shit state. But this year I'm hoping it's better.
Well, it's quite funny, I'm at the foot of GongGa now, the GongGa scenery platform. And like the government are really like pumping money into this road. Like it's just hotels sprung up everywhere. Even since last year, it's crazy. I'm at 4,000 meters now. I think I have another 500 meters to go until I reach the GongGa dune platform. Getting closer to the top. Actually, I can't remember if this is the same road from last year, you know. All I remember from last year is the road is really bad. This isn't so bad, it's just, it just goes from smooth to like thick rocks to small rocks to back to smooth, and it's just it's hard to get into some kind of rhythm. And my feet are absolutely destroyed from standing on the pegs. About 4,600 meters up now. Actually I feel fine. Bike is running like a bag of shit, but oh, look at that. Last year I came here, there was actually quite a good view of GongGa. View changes constantly, but it's quite funny to see like people scrambling for every slight glimpse of the mountain, you know. As soon as the cloud starts clearing, everyone's like, Chulaila, Chulaila. It's like, you know, like it's coming, it's coming. Some Tibetan stuff up here, don't know what it is, but this is GongGa。
可以拿相机的去吸氧去了。我还没拍到手机上。
手机拍出来效果不好，好像是。
My bike made it at this wild hill climb. Yeah, it's pretty good. Considering we were already at like 4,800, the bike pissed up there. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Have a good trip. Bye. Have to try and get down now.
Mount GongGa, also known as Minyakonka, stands as the highest peak in Sichuan province and a sacred mountain in Tibetan culture. Reaching over 7,500 meters, this king of Sichuan mountains is famous for its dramatic rise from lush green valleys to icy snow-capped summits. Known for its remote, rugged beauty, Mount GongGa is a paradise for experienced climbers and adventurers. Trails wind through dense forests, alpine meadows and shimmering glacial lakes, offering spectacular views of GongGa's towering peaks.
So now I'm on the way down to ZiMei village. Hopefully I can find a guest house that will allow me to stay and store my luggage. Fingers crossed, eh? But I have about 1,000 meters to go down, 1,200 I think. And yeah, it's around 12 kilometers. Actually the road's not too bad. Gravelly, but it's pretty even, you know. I love that they put a mirror on this road. Like, you can see the next layer of road, like. that's China for you. Well, if you fall, you can be sure you're dead. Okay, that's the road. How do they build these bloody roads? It's insane. And ZiMei village is down there. I've mastered the art of standing up on the gravel road with one hand and turning the camera on and off now. Oh, GongGa is, as the Chinese say, Chulaila. It's come out. This is the highest mountain in China. Well, that's if you don't count Mount Everest. Depends what you think of Tibet. But yeah, that's GongGa there. Look at this saying. What is it? Man. Fuck. I can't read that. Oh, nearly arriving at the village. Thank God. If you're wondering, anyone that lives here and wants to see civilization has to travel like 70 kilometers in either direction. And like 70 kilometers of a mental terrain, you know? Like a 4,800 meter mountain pass. Or like a waterlogged jungle which I done last year. Ni hao. Anyhow. It's just a cat. Oh, I haven't seen a cat for so long.
Arriving at ZiMei village, a secluded Tibetan village nestled at the foot of Mount GongGa, it did take me a while to find a guest house, I must be honest. I did manage to find one, and it only cost me like 80 yuan for a night, which is crazy. It's like $10. And the great thing was I was able to store my luggage while I tried to hike the mountain the next day. The bad thing was, there was almost no food or nothing for me to buy in the local area because obviously there's no shops. Anyway, I decided to get some well-deserved rest and sleep early.